Hi guys, so today's June 7, 2024, and I am guided to talk about integrity, reputation, and credibility. But first, let me tell you what the definition of integrity is. According to Cambridge, integrity is honesty and the ability to do or know what is morally right. What is the definition of reputation? According to Cambridge, reputation is the opinion that people have about someone or something based on their behavior or character in the past. What is the definition of credibility? According to Cambridge, credibility is a quality that means someone can be believed and trusted. So, our goal is to try to have integrity, protect our reputation, and maintain our credibility so people can trust us. And if you are an entrepreneur like me, the more important it is for people to trust in you. So, back in the days, uh, CPAs are not required to take ethics class on their continuing education. But after Enron, Arthur Anderson issue many years ago, it became a requirement. So every time I have to renew my license, depending on what state you are in, some states renewal period is every 2 years, some are every 3 years. In Illinois, it is 3 years. Florida, it is 2 years. And I'm still an active licensed CPA in Florida. So not all professionals are required to take ethics course. But if you fall into this category where it's not required for your profession, um, I highly recommend that you still take the time to take the course because when you are ethical in your business dealings, you will attract and manifest the same kind of people. Okay, so that's that. The next thing I want to talk about, and this is me talking as a lawyer. Okay, so when you have an agreement or a contract, whether it is written or oral, do your best not to breach the contract because the effect of that is your credibility, your reputation, and your integrity. When that happens, it will affect how you perceive yourself. And then the next thing you know, you are subconsciously speaking negative things about yourself. Okay, so you don't want to do that. So, to those of you who read my first book, The Finance Doctor's Tips and Tricks, What You Don't Know Can Hurt You, on page 3, you will see the topic about reset button. Okay, so flip to that page and read that section. But don't get stuck on the negative thoughts about yourself. Okay, hit that reset button and start again. But this time, don't screw up anymore. All right, so be kind to yourself, forgive yourself, and start again. All right, guys. Until next time. See you.